Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay, and in this week's vlog we have an M2 on our new Stance kit, a 240i in the detailing bay, and this stunning i8 with an AC Schnitzer kit.
So behind me we have a lovely frozen black BMW i8. Now this car belongs to a customer of mine. We've been in discussion for quite some time now about creating one of the final AC Schnitzer carbon kit builds. Now we have had the car in for the week with us. Not only did we do the AC Schnitzer parts, but we fitted the Quicksilver exhaust for a bit more volume. The AC Schnitzer kit we fitted consists of the lovely carbon fibre racing rear wing. We've also fitted the brake vents, which are cut into the arches of the car. The other parts that consist of the AC Schnitzer kit are the door handle recesses, which look lovely in a carbon fibre finish, and the AC Schnitzer front splitter, which unfortunately is no longer available. This customer actually got the last one available. However, we can still put builds together using the remaining parts that are there. This is a car we may see back through the door at one point. Customer is interested in a lovely set of wheels for the car. Now our MW3s we think would work perfectly on this, but the question is, what colour do we go for? We have the gloss black available, the polished silver, and the neodyme gold. Let us know your thoughts and what you would go for if it was yours.